everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate mug cake. This is a quick and easy and delicious chocolate cake that you can make when you're craving a quick dessert fix. So let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a dash of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 teaspoons of chocolate chips. Start by greasing a 12-ounce mug using a non-stick spray or melted butter to prevent the cake from sticking to the mug, and set the mug aside. In a mixing bowl, start by adding in the dry ingredients: the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Combine these dry ingredients by using a whisk. Once the dry ingredients are combined, now it's time to add in the wet ingredients. Pour in the milk, oil, and vanilla. Now whisk this in with the flour mixture till everything is well combined and there are little to no lumps in the batter. Add in 2 teaspoons of the chocolate chips into the batter and mix. This will give you melty chocolate in the cake. Pour the cake batter into the greased mug. Spoon in the 1 teaspoon of chocolate chips on top of the cake batter in the mug. Microwave this for about 75 seconds to 90 seconds. And the chocolate mug cake is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!